Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying the SSD type and adapter compatibility. This saves time and prevents mismatches. Once done, power down your PC or laptop and wear an anti-static strap to avoid damage. Remove the drive bay or side panel, then unscrew any retaining brackets. Make sure to keep screws organized and note connector orientation. If cloning, launch your cloning software now and select source and target drives. Do not proceed until the adapter is recognized by the system. You should carefully seat the SSD into the adapter, ensuring the M key or B+M notch lines up and the connector is fully engaged. Once connected, attach power and data cables or plug the USB adapter into a working port. Listen for drive spin-up or check device manager. Next, initialize the disk if it's new, choose GPT versus MBR depending on your OS, and format partitions. If cloning, run the clone, verify progress, and do not interrupt power during writes. You finish by mounting the SSD into its bay or bracket and restoring any removed panels. Tighten screws but avoid over-tightening. Once powered on, enter BIOS or UEFI to set the SSD as the boot device if you installed an OS. After boot, check storage health with Smart Tools and enable trim for SSD longevity. If the drive is not detected, reseat connections, swap cables or ports, and update firmware or drivers. These steps resolve most connectivity and recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.